That's breakfast. We've got about a 5-hour journey today. So I've got to start cracking. Well, thank you very much.
Bye.
See you later. Hey, we got it. Well, Google says it's 4 hours. It's 10:30. We'll see how Google goes. With this weather ahead, I really have no idea. And we're off. Looks like I'm heading off to the hills again. How are you? Are you local? Do you speak English? How are you? Nice to meet you. Hello. Xin chào. I'm going this way. Yes, okay. Bye. Rain coming. Who am I kidding? Gotta get this on. Black Milatu. You ready? You ready? Bang! Hello. These windy roads are slippery. Okay, maybe. You guys need a helmet. On the street. There you go.